Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Salvage Motorsports. Today we're installing the Euro 3S Performance Billet Driveshaft carrier bearings. But first, we're going to roll that beautiful footage.
What's up, everybody? We're back again. We're going to be installing a Driveshaft carrier bearing kit from Euro 3S on a 3S. Imagine that. Got the kit already, so we're going to start by taking off the drive shaft under there. And I'll point out some stuff that I'm going to be taking off. So there's the drive shaft. There's the prop shaft. I'm going to leave that in the transfer case because I don't want to drop any fluid. So 4 bolts back here at the rear differential we'll take off. And then 2 bolts here on the carrier bearing. 2 bolts here on this carrier bearing. And this drive shaft will come out. I'll probably have to loosen up this bolt here to allow the exhaust to hang a little bit to slide it out probably. Might need a hand with that. Might have to grab an assistant, but I want to take it out real quick. First step, take out the drive shaft.
So we basically just remove the drive shaft. Here we remove the exhaust hanger to get the drive shaft out of the way. Also, here's a few tools that we're using: 12mm and 14mm socket with ratchet wrench and extension. Lift is optional, but always preferred. Because this bolt wasn't the same as the others, someone had replaced it at some point. I just ended up replacing this one with the proper one. Chop chop! And we're gonna go ahead and cut right here and cut the old carrier bearing off with the cutoff wheel on the Milwaukee grinder. Here we used a box cutter to cut the rubber off. We just slid it straight down and it undid it. Having a brand new blade made this a lot easier. And now we reassemble it and put the new carrier bearings on. Here's a diagram of how it goes back together. Without this, it could be a little confusing. Well, that about does it. Thanks for tuning in, and Bling bling. What's up, Rodney? So how'd that install go?
Oh, on the carrier bearings?
Yeah, the carrier bearing install. Do you recommend it for others?
Yeah. Well, maybe. If your drive shaft is 100% balanced, I would say, yeah, go for it. As long as you know it's not going to cause any issues. Because with those carrier bearings, it seems like we had a good drive shaft and we had good carrier bearings before. We were just doing a preventative maintenance upgrade, maybe something like that. Figuring we were helping it and making it better in the process. But when we put those on, I guess our drive shaft wasn't 100% balanced. So what it ended up causing was some vibration at about 45 to 60 miles an hour. Right at your cruising speed where you really don't want any vibration.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, wasn't optimal. So we actually took them off and went with two-piece aluminum drive shaft. Womp womp. So
All that work and
yeah, so unless your drive shaft is 100% balanced, go for it. But if not, if you have any, even if you don't know, because we didn't know, if you don't know if it's not balanced, I probably wouldn't do it. Just go with the OEM ones again, or if you really want to do an upgrade, get a two-piece or a carbon fiber one-piece.
Okay.
Spend the extra money.
All right, well, nice job again, and
I do what I can.
cool. Peace out.
See ya.
Give us a like, give us a follow, share with a friend. Salvage Motorsports, out.